Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine into custom one on REALME Narzo 70. So you have to start by opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to a custom search engine website, and for this video I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your custom search engine. Then click on this three dots icon and go to settings. Now click on search engine, and in recently visited you should have now yep.com option, so you can select that. Then you can go back, and as you can see my search engine is now changed to yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.